everyone, welcome to Media A's Open House. I am Mr. Albright.
And I'm Coach Thompson. Thank you for joining us.
To begin the year in media, we introduced elements of photography. This included studying different camera shots and angles, and as a conclusion to our unit, the students created a photo journal to share examples and demonstrate an understanding of the shots and angles covered.
Building on our photography unit, we transitioned to learning Adobe Photoshop. We viewed a series of tutorial videos to gain these skills, and then we were able to begin working on a variety of projects. Some examples included an illustration project, the fun food face, Warhol-inspired prints, handprints, personal profiles, and even magazine covers.
After our Photoshop unit, we transitioned into animation to complete our first semester. We tried something new this year, which was using an app called Animation Desk to create these animations. We covered the 12 principles of animation, which ranged from basic to more complex tasks. The students then took these 12 principles and created projects using the knowledge of them. Some examples of these are the Name Project, the Squash and Stretch Project, and the Follow Through and Arcing Motion Project.
To begin the spring semester, we started with a pre-production unit. This included learning how to create storyboards to help visualize a video product, as well as how to properly write and format scripts to formally plan all details and aspects of the video. And all of this work led us to our current unit, video production, which started with an introduction to Premiere Pro and Premiere Rush on our iPads, and now we are using the full production process to plan and create new video projects.
All right, guys, that's all we've got for you for tonight. Thanks for watching.
If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to either one of us by email, and we'll do the best we can to help you out. Take care.